Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that will undoubtedly challenge your physical and mental boundaries. We'll be exploring the incredible benefits of incorporating 100 burpees into your daily routine for 30 consecutive days. Get ready to witness the transformative power of this intense exercise. Let's dive in. Understanding the burpee. Before we delve into the benefits, let's quickly recap what a burpee is. A burpee is a full-body exercise that combines a squat, a push-up, and a jump. It targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, arms, legs, and core. The beauty of the burpee lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Enhanced cardiovascular fitness. One of the primary benefits of the 100 Burpee Challenge is a significant improvement in cardiovascular fitness. By engaging multiple muscle groups and elevating your heart rate, burpees become an excellent cardio workout. Consistently performing 100 burpees each day will enhance your endurance, making everyday activities feel easier. Increase strength and muscle tone. The burpee is a compound exercise that engages various muscle groups simultaneously. Over the 30-day challenge, you'll notice a significant increase in strength and muscle tone. Burpees target your chest, arms, shoulders, glutes, and legs, helping you build lean muscle mass and achieve a more sculpted physique. Improved agility and coordination. The explosive nature of the burpee contributes to improved agility and coordination. As you progress through the challenge, you'll develop better body control, balance, and spatial awareness. This newfound agility will positively impact your performance in other sports or physical activities. Fat burning and weight loss. If shedding excess weight is your goal, the 100 Burpee Challenge is an incredible tool. Burpees are a highly efficient exercise that burns calories and stimulates fat loss. By engaging multiple muscle groups, you'll elevate your metabolic rate, allowing you to continue burning calories long after your workout ends. Boosted energy and mood. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones. The 100 Burpee Challenge will provide you with a natural mood boost and a surge of energy. Additionally, the sense of accomplishment after completing 100 burpees each day will increase your confidence and overall happiness. Convenience and minimal equipment. Another advantage of the 100 Burpee Challenge is its convenience. Burpees require minimal space and equipment, just your body and a small workout area. You can perform them at home, in a park, or even during travel. With no excuses to skip a workout, you'll experience the satisfaction of staying consistent. Time-efficient workouts. In today's fast-paced world, time is often a constraint when it comes to exercise. The beauty of burpees lies in their efficiency. Performing 100 burpees can take as little as 10 minutes, 15 minutes, making it an ideal choice for those with a busy schedule. This way, you can still reap the benefits of a full-body workout even with limited time available. Improved mental focus and mind-body connection. The 100 Burpee Challenge requires concentration and focus. By focusing on your form, breathing, and rhythm, you develop a stronger mind-body connection. This heightened awareness not only improves your performance during burpee, but can also carry over to other areas of your life, enhancing your ability to stay present and focused. Listen to your body and practice rest days. While the 100 Burpee Challenge is undoubtedly demanding, it's essential to listen to your body and incorporate rest days as needed. Rest and recovery are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Pay attention to any signs of overexertion or excessive fatigue, and be sure to take breaks when necessary. Your body will thank you, and you'll be able to maintain the challenge more effectively. The benefits of completing 100 burpees every day for 30 consecutive days are truly remarkable. From improved cardiovascular fitness and strength to enhanced agility and mental resilience, the transformative power of this exercise is undeniable. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new fitness regimen. So, are you up for the challenge? Get ready to embrace the journey, push your limits, and experience the incredible benefits that await you on this 30-day adventure of 100 burpees. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing forward.